If ever you come across mold, don't touch it. Go out, put your mask on. Yes, there's a time to cover yourself, and get a spray bottle and fill it with white vinegar. And spray the whole area, and then come out, and then go back in 10 minutes later, because the vinegar will kill it. And then you can wipe it up. So be very careful, because we can get exposed to mold through our skin, through our breathing areas, through noses, and also it can be ingested, swallowed in. And it's a toxic poison. It's not often viewed as a toxic poison, but it absolutely is.